So we are Stephen and Keela, and this is the video of our dogs, Socks and Shadow, two rescue dogs from South Africa, coming to Ireland, specifically Cork. So they flew 5 months later after we had arrived because we needed to find a rental that allowed dogs. We found a lovely rental that allows dogs, and therefore our dogs were able to fly. They flew over with animal travel services via KLM to Amsterdam. They spent a night at the luxurious hotel, dog hotel, and then they flew over to Dublin and took a van down to Cork. So you can see them being offloaded here. They wore calming collars for I think 2 weeks beforehand, which really just helped calm them down. It almost imitates them being their mom, so they were completely zonked out. They went for 3 lovely runs just before they got into their kennels, and they also slept in their kennels for a week beforehand and were fed in them, so they were very happy and at home in the kennels. You can see Keela's very excited to let the doggies out. We've got Shadow, who's coming out first. He was very disorientated and it took him a while just to realize that we were actually there. And then you can hear Socks starts crying. She was very happy to see Keela, but they've adjusted lovely to the life in Cork, living on the farm, Leamington farm, and yeah, they love the chickens. Shadow would love to chase the chickens, so we have to always keep him in a lead if the chickens are out, but he also chases the rabbits. He's a bit of a hunter, while Socks just is actually very good. We were quite pleasantly surprised. Socks does not chase the chickens at all or chase the rabbits. She is very well behaved. And now they actually sleep in their kennel at night time. We've got one of these kennels inside the house and they fight over it to sleep in that, so it's quite funny. But yeah, enjoy the video.
They're disorientated.
No, they were with our
Sockies!
parents,
Socks!
but we haven't seen them in 5 months.
Socks! Socks!
Hey, Socks!
Hi, boy.
I think they're very chilled. Hi, boy. Hi, boy. Socks.
Thank you very much. Yeah. 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 Socks. Socksy. Hi, Socks. Hey. Little flats. Little flats. Thank you very much.
I think he's still got his calming collar on him. Hi! Have you got your dog back, Shaz? I think she's woken up. Somebody's woken up. Why is she have tantrums? Hi, Socks! Hi, boy. I think he's like, I've been through so much. Look, he's like, not even, like, I think he's looking for, he's like, what is this?
She's like, am I about to go?
I can't believe you with me, my girl. Hi. Let it go. Hi. Hi, boy. Boy's super calm. Not too sure, but he gave Stephen a big cuddle. Hey, Socks. 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 Sockies. Oh boy. Where are
So since arriving, the dogs have settled. They are loving Leddington Farm. We've got lots of land around us, and they can just run and roam free. We've got a lovely big field where I can chuck the ball. They can run around like crazy dogs. You can see Shadow and Socks having a ball all the time there. It's absolutely beautiful. We've got a lovely barley field very close to us, where now that the barley is so tall, they run through it, but you can hardly see their bodies, so they have to jump like lions. They are running, just having lots of fun, and it's nice to venture with dogs. A good reason to get out and get some exercise. So catch us on the next episode. Cheers.